Oh no!
What to do?
Schmiedmann.com has the solution. This time the Schmiedmann solution is not the cheapest, but the best, probably. In this set you get a paint repair touch-up pen and brush for the paint and the clear coat. Many of the water-based touch-up pens out there on the market that are cheaper but less effective have a tendency to dry up differently than the color you paint with. So imagine this, you buy a white touch-up pen and you end up with a gray result. That happens quite frequently with water-based touch-up pens. A catastrophe, if you ask us here at Schmiedmann. Nobody wants that. That is why this paint repair and touch-up pen is different. It's cellulose-based from Schmiedmann, and here is why you should choose a cellulose-based repaired pen. It dries up real quickly. The color is exactly as you want it to be, and the coverage is super. You get these sets in all original BMW color codes, even for the BMW motorcycles. And of course, the color codes discontinued by BMW. In this 2-in-1 paint repair touch-up pen and brush set, you get the original BMW color-coded paint. This one is Alpine Weiß, and on the other hand you get the clear coat. Two different pens separated by the instruction manual so that you can get the result that you want on your car. As I said, it's the original color match for BMW, MINI and even BMW motorcycles. On the back of the box, you'll find the instruction on how to open the bottles. We'll take you through that process in a minute. These two are taken out of one of our demo sets. As you see, the labels are even in Danish here. We start off with the paint. You simply pull off the top here and you have the touch-up pen really sharp here in order to get down deep into the scratches with accurate precision. You simply apply the paint with this, or for larger scratches or stone chips, if we take the cap completely off here, simply unscrewing the top here, we have the brush. Before using this paint and clear coat, please make sure that the surface you want to repair is clean and dry for the best result. This is the clear coat, same procedure. Simply pulling off the top, you have the touch-up pen here for highly precision work, and of course unscrewing the top, you have a brush for stone chips or for larger areas. The simple, effective way for a great result. The Schmiedmann paint repair and touch-up pen, 2-in-1 set. So all in all, the easy, effective way to a great paint repair job. We at Schmiedmann enjoy helping you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button and leave a subscription wherever you find Schmiedmann content. See you soon in the next video or on Schmiedmann.com for BMW parts and MINI parts for the world's lowest prices with worldwide shipping.